Hello everybody, welcome to Sure Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a tour of the USA Archery Nationals. This is the 136th Nationals, if I am correct, and this time it's being held in Richmond, Virginia, and hopefully it'll be held here next year, because usually we do have 2 Nationals in a row. So if so, this video is going to be very helpful for those of you that are coming in 2021. So behind me here is the main entrance to the event. You can see there's a car leaving now, a car just came in. As you go down this road, you get to the checking station where they check your temperature and things like that, and you get a wristband for the day, whatever day it is. You get a new one every day because they check your temperature again every day. Now, maybe this won't be a thing in 2021, but if it is, there's an idea on what to expect. Once you get past that check-in station, that temperature check station, and get your badge, you can then proceed to the parking lot. The first entrance for the parking lot starts right there, and you can use the side all the way down, or we can go the opposite way, and there's a whole nother parking lot all the way down this way. So plenty of parking spaces, and this continues all the way down the field as well. There's another cut through further down, and you can get to more parking down there. Really impressive. This year they set it up so that we take up both fields. So I would say this is like field A right here, and field B is further down past the grandstands. We'll be taking a look at those, and we'll take a look at the DOS and stuff and show you what's going on during this event so that you can see what to expect for the following years. Alright, so one interesting thing is it is very close to Richmond Airport. There's actually a plane coming in there for landing. Technically the fields are labeled East and West fields, or for us shooting, this is the Barebow and Compound field. We'll walk a little bit closer because, well, we're allowed, and we'll check out what's going on there. All right, making it through the parking lot in one piece. And as we get closer, you're going to see things like porta potties. Yes, porta potties are the potty of choice here at this shoot. And as we walk up this hill here, we can see that there is yellow caution tape, and that caution tape is to separate out the coaches and the spectators from all of the archers, because, well, we're keeping them separate. That way we can cut down on contamination at this event. As we walk around this tent here, you can see we ended at target 206 this year. We're very spread out overall this year. There's plenty of spaces between archers, and I'll run some clips showing you how well archers are spaced. But as you can see, people are setting up targets, and each archer gets a chair. There's tables in between. Everybody's got a canopy. Pretty nicely done, I would say, overall for the situation at hand. So let's continue walking down this field and actually see what else to expect. It's pretty long, especially since we have 206 targets. As we'll walk down the field as well, there are hand sanitizer stations where you can get some hand sanitizers. So this is check-in and DOS for this side of the field, the Compound and Barebow side of the field. They're going to check your equipment, make sure it's all approved for this type of tournament, and then you can proceed to shoot. So look at that, they're actually getting ready here to shoot the afternoon line. This is day 2 of Nationals, actually, that I'm filming this on, and I actually shot the morning line this time for Senior Recurve. Now let's turn around and head up another hill here, and we're about halfway through the field. We'll give a little turn around so you can see. So we're still heading this way. There's some grandstands over there. It looks like they're going to be shooting the medal matches and stuff for Cam in that section. We still have to check out the vendor village. More parking, tons of parking. Like there's a lot of parking here. They do have an overflow lot, but I haven't seen that necessary. Again, there is lighter participation this year than in previous years, but that's to be expected with what's going on currently. But hopefully not the case if we do this again in 2021, which we should. So let's keep walking down. We're probably going to cut over and actually check out the vendor village because there's really not much going on in this section because it's not officially set up for the finals yet. It's just a cam broadcast trailer. So let's see what the vendors have going on down here. We got this nice little wood crossover bridge, which is going to be good for a lot of our para archers and just people in general, though, because you really don't want to trip in one of the little ruts here where it collects all the water. The field's got to drain somehow. So here we are at the vendor village, and it was great to see so many vendors out, especially with the circumstances. This is, of course, blocked off from traffic, so you can just walk right down the road. We got EMS over here. Mantis, the shooting system company, was here, or is here. As we continue on, we got some noise from generators, but we got TrueBall itself. You can test out and check out all their different products. Pretty awesome. As we go past, we got Lancaster Archery, keeping you covered for all your different archery needs. It's always great to have him here. I always end up picking up knocks and things like that. Got to be prepared. And these guys got you covered if you do forget anything, for the most part. They even have a bow press for compound shooters. Other than that, we have a We Can Brew It coffee shop. Pretty cool. I think they're packing up. Coffee's a bigger deal in the mornings than it is in the afternoon when I'm filming this. And that is the vendor village for this year. Not too bad, especially for what's going on. And it'll be interesting to see how much it grows next year, especially if what's going on improves. So with that, we are actually headed down into the recurve section of the field. Well, the sighted recurve section of the field. The Barebow people are in the Barebow section with the compounders, but they don't have sights. This is the Olympic recurve section of the field. Right in front of us here is actually a concession stand, and I think the proceeds for that benefit the field itself. I don't think that is ran by USA Archery, but I could be wrong. I'm giving the tour here. I'm not the official spokesperson. If you do want any additional information, I highly recommend you checking out USA Archery's site and stuff. That will be in the description down below. Links to all of that, so you can be in the official know. I'm just trying to give everybody a visual here. All right, so we have the Masters field at 60 meters, and we have the senior field at 70 meters. They cut a lot of divisions out this year in order to be able to run this and actually fulfill, the spots and have enough spots for, the main divisions of this event. Again, we still have the tape. Can't cross that if you're not shooting. Again, more hand sanitizer stations, trash cans. It really is a pretty nice layout. I was impressed on how it was done, and it definitely looks a lot better here in person than on the little infographic, aerial view that we were sent. And this is looking back down the field where we just walked from. It's a bit of a hike, but if you got a vehicle, it's a piece of cake. Other than that, another point on the parking is because there's so much, you can really park your vehicle nice and close to where you shoot. I basically, pulled in right to the spot that was in line with the target that I was shooting, which was amazing. We'll keep going down this way just a little bit more because there is a second check-in right here, which is perfect. And there goes Lee. Hello, Lee. And you can check in there. You got your check-in bag as well. They made it really easy this year.
What is available?
There is also water available to the archers on the table there. Just go over, pick one up. And other than that, that's a look at all the fields and basically the basic layout of this event. Okay, so there you have it. There is the tour of USA Archery Nationals 2020 here in Richmond, Virginia. Hopefully you enjoyed my little tour and it gives you a good idea on what to expect here next year. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Share this with your friends if you think it's going to help them out deciding if they should go to this event or not. And with that, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, happy shooting.